guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for being here. I'm wishing everyone a happy Sunday and a happy new week. If you're not watching this on Sunday, I hope your day is going great. I'm back with this week's CVS deals video and I think this is a good week at CVS. Just make sure you're checking your emails, those ones CVS sent to you, and when you open your email, go all the way down because sometimes there might be a CVS CRT or coupons. I'll be sharing two of the ones I received in this video. I did not do the Maybelline deal, but I will be sharing a way you can do it in case you need some products. Maybelline is on the deal of spend $15, get $5 back, limit of 1. If you still have your CRT from last week, we received another good one this week. That's a $4. The one we got last week is $3. That's a total of $7 CRT. All you need to do is find an item that is within the 98% or $15. That's $14.70. But what they have in my store that is close to that is $14.79. Use those two CRTs. And if you have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, add it to this deal. There is a $2 coupon we have in our app that will also apply. It's going to drop it down to $2.79. Pay that and get $5 back, making it free and a $2.21 money maker. The first deal I have here will be on some Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and this is a limit of 2. Picking up 2 of the stain fighters, 2 of them are going to total $7.98. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon today that is going to drop it down to $4.98. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another way to do this deal with a $10 CRT I received in my email that is attaching to all Colgate Optic White products is by picking up 4. 4 of them are going to total $15.96. Then with the 3 off 2 digital coupon, go to colgate.com and print out another 75 cents coupon for the remaining 2. Then using the 10 off Colgate CRT I received is going to drop it down to $1.46. Pay that and get $6 back, making all 4 items free and a $4.54 money maker. I tried using this CRT with the deal we had last week. That's the spend 20 get $10 back, and I'll be posting my receipt to show you that it worked. The next deal is on soft soap hand soap. It's part of the buy 3 get $4 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3, they are priced at $3.59. That 3 is going to total $10.77. Then go to softsoap.com and print out 3 of the 50 cents coupon that is going to drop it down to $9.27. Pay that and get $4 back, making all 3 items $5.27 or $1.76 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $8 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Aveeno wipes priced at $9.59, and also the Aveeno brightness scrub priced at $11.99. I have this $2 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available and it expired on Saturday. So if your store accepts expired coupon up to 1 day, you can use it. And this will attach to the scrub because on it says excludes the wipes. But we have a $2 coupon in our app that is going to attach to the wipes. I also have 2 of the 3 off 10 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. One is from last week and one is from this week. It's going to drop it down to $11.58. And I'll get $8 back, making both items $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is Byy BU facial care, get $2 back. Pick up the blemish and oil absorbing patches, that's the 6 patches, at $11.99. I don't have any coupon for this, and I also checked Ibotta. We don't have any rebate for this as well. Pay $11.99 and get $2 back, making it just $9.99. The next deal I have will be the spend 10 get $5 back on clean and clear facial care, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up the Advantage acne spot treatment 0.75 flow ounces at $11.49. And we have a $2.50 off digital coupon that is attaching to this. It's going to drop it down to $8.99. Pay that and get $5 back, making it just $3.99. Old Spice body wash are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back, and this is a limit of one. Picking up two of the body washes priced at $9.79. The two of them are going to total for $10.69. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to it and drop it down to $11.69, and you get $3 back. Check your Ibotta, because mine I have a $2 back on each, and it's a limit of 4. Because I'm buying two, I'm going to receive $4 back. It will end up making these two items $4.69 or $2.35 each. The next deal is on Nivea body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. You can pick up the women's or you can do the men's, but I'll be focusing on the men because it's cheaper. They are priced at $6.79. Picking up two will total $10.19. We don't have any coupon for this that I know of. You have to pay the $10.19 and get $5 back, making both items $5.19 or $2.60 each. The next deal I have is on Axe shower gel or body wash. They're on the deal of buy two, get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up two of the body wash priced at $6.49. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. That means these two will be $9.74. If you're signed up with Unilever and they email you coupons, check yours, because I was able to find two of the $1 coupon that can apply to any Axe product. Using these two coupons is going to drop it down to $7.74. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $4.74 or $2.37 each. The next deal I have will be on Kids Suave Hair Care. They're on the deal of buy two, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. You can pick up these ones priced at $6.79. That's the 3-in-1. Two of them are going to total $13.58. Check your email for Suave coupon if you're signed up with Unilever. Print out two of them and it's going to drop it down to $11.58, and you get $4 back, making both items $7.58 or $3.79 each. Love Beauty and Planet Hair Care are on sale for 2 for $13, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two, mix or match whichever way you like. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon today that is going to drop it down to $9. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal is on Tresemme Hair Care. They're on the deal of buy two, get $5 back. Pick up two of the Tresemme Extra Hold Spray, 4.2 ounces, priced at $6.49 each. These two items are going to total $12.98. And I have these two $1 coupon I got from my email. That's the Unilever email. It's going to drop it down to $10.98. Pay that and get $5 back. Check your Ibotta, because it's giving back $2.50 on each item. That's a total of $5. These two items are going to end up costing just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Another way to do this deal, if you have the 3 of 15 Tresemme Hair Care CRT, is by picking up the extra hold, the 4.2 ounces priced at $6.49, and also pick up the 11 ounces priced at $8.99. These two items are going to total $15.48. Use the two coupons I showed earlier on, and the 3 of 15 Tresemme CRT is going to drop it down to $10.48. Pay that and get $5 back. Submit to Ibotta to get back $2.50 on each item, making both items just 48 cents or 24 cents each. Eucerin lotion is part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Eucerin Intensive Repair lotions priced at $6.79 each. And these 3 items are going to total $20.37. I have these 3 $2 coupon I got from my doctor's place, but you can go to coupons.com and print out 2 of them, and we also have one in our app. Use those 3 coupons. I also have a 5 off 20 next purchase CRT I got in my email. That's the second CRT I was talking about. He's going to drop it down to $9.37 and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items free and a 63-cent moneymaker. But if you have a lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal. Clearer hair color is on the deal of buy 2, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the nice and easy hair color priced at $9.49. It's going to total $18.98. We all received a 6 off 2 digital coupon for this that is going to drop it down to $12.98 and you get $4 back, making both items $8.98 or $4.49 each. Dove hair care is part of the buy 2 get $4 back and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Dove shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.49 each. These 2 items are going to total $8.24. I have these 2 off 2 coupon I got from my email. That's from Unilever. It's going to drop it down to $6.24 and you get $4 back, making both items $2.24 or $1.12 each. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up 2 of the Dove Hair Therapy Brilliant Gloss and Repair priced at $9.49. My store only have 1, but if your store have 2, pick up 2. The total for these 2 will be $14.24. Use the same coupon I showed earlier on. It's going to drop it down to $12.24 and you get $4 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on each. That's a total of $5. These 2 items are going to end up costing just $3.24 or $1.62 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1, but I will be showing you different ways to do this. Kleenex is part of it and they're on sale for 2 for $4.50. Pick up 4 for a total of $9. To complete this deal, add the Scott Bar tissue, the 12 rolls. It's on sale for $10.79. All 5 items are going to total $19.79, which is within the 98% rule. Today, we all received a $1 coupon in our app for the Scott Bar tissue, and for the Kleenex, we received a $1 off 2 Kleenex CRT. It's going to drop it down to $17.79. Pay that and get $5 back, making all 5 items $12.79 or $2.62 each. Remember, this deal is a limit of 1, so another way to do it is by picking up 4 of the Cottonelle flushable wipes on sale for $4.99. These 4 items are going to total $19.96. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have, apply it to this deal and adjust your math. Without any coupons, you have to pay the $19.96 and get $5 back, making all 4 items $14.96 or $3.74 each. The third option I have for doing this deal is by picking up the Cottonelle 4 Mega Rolls on sale for $5.79, and we have a $2 digital coupon we received today that will apply to this item. Then pick up 2 of the 2-pack Cottonelle flushable wipes on sale for $4.99 each. To complete this deal, add 2 of the Kleenex cubes on sale for 2 for $4.50. All 5 items are going to total $20.27. Use the $1 off 2 Kleenex CRT and the $2 digital coupon we received today for the Cottonelle. It's going to drop it down to $17.27. Pay that and get $5 back, making all 5 items $12.27 or $2.45 each. I have is the spend 30 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49. Then pick up the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99. Add the Gain detergent, also on sale for $5.49. Add the little Tide Pod, is on sale for $5.49. I'm not showing it in this video because it's behind the counter and I didn't want to bother them. These 4 items are going to total $31.46. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. As you can see for my Tide Pod, I'm showing the sign because this one is also behind the counter. For the Downy, go to P&G website and print out a $1 coupon that will apply to it. And the Gain, we have a digital coupon that will also apply to it. For the Tide Pod, it's better to print out a $1.50 from P&G website. It's going to drop it down to $24.96. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 items $14.96 or $3.74 each. If you like Maxwell House Coffee, it's on sale for $7.99. Pay that and submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making it just $7.24. This concludes my video today. Thank you all for joining me and thank you all for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.